Berry Farm, also known as Not Scary Farm, and Camp Spooky just opened up, or Not Spooky Farm. Check this out. Let me flip it around here. That's just such a great job with their theming. Can't wait for tonight. Let's go on our adventure.
Firefighter's back. He's back for more. Here we go. Toss away. Try one more time.
Spooky farm right now. All these games and activities with the characters for the little kids. And then tonight will be Not Scary Farm, more for the adults and teenagers. Animatronics are amazing here at Knott's. The mouse looks real.
Remember to remain seated. Always keep your hands, your arms, and your feet inside the car. And remember, folks, there is no eating, drinking, smoking, and no photography. Once again, folks, please, no flashlights once we are inside. Now, with that being said, let's go get ourselves some candy. Yeah! Clear and all clear.
I didn't do it. There was a spider that kept on coming down from the ceiling. Of course, when I'm trying to video it, it didn't do it.
It's overall when all my mind has turned to candy. Sweet candy. Literally. Yes, I can take a break and have some candy. Try some tea and alcohol. These vines. Twist out. Jeepers, she's real. It's really her. It's the Pink Fairy. Welcome, brave explorers. I am the Pink Fairy. You've reached the heart of my candy mine. And just inside where my candy In honor of your bravery, you are hereby entitled to take home as much candy as you can carry. Fill your pockets and your pails with all the flavors of my candy mine. The Pink Fairy bids you farewell and welcomes you back anytime. Sweet dreams.
Somebody hand me my pancakes and the toothbrush. So much sweeter than silver. I got more than one sweet tooth, let me tell you. That's the 200 Gilmore so far. Like a rocket. Hey, you kids, keep your hands off my children. It's square.
Woo-wee! Folks, that sure was a close one. Now, once this train has come to a complete stop, you guys gotta stand on us. Lift open on that wooden seat by the door. Then I come by and let you guys out. Do not jump over the side bushes. Wait for me to unlock the doors. Alright, everybody, let's stand on up and lift open on that wooden
Got
seat.
some merch. Knott's Berry Farm forever. My son got this last time we were here. We're Monopoly collectors. That's a great shirt. Yeah, that's a great shirt. How much is it? Only 20 bucks? Wow. Oh, here they are, the lanterns. Yeah. Here's for the ones that don't want to be scared. These actually light up and they flash, so the scare actors know not to scare you. But why do you come to a scare event if you don't want to get scared? I don't know. But I'm glad they give that option. That's kind of cool. I don't know why you'd have all the cool stuff on the outside or inside. Is it a double sided? $130. Wow. Oh, that's a cool hat for the ladies. Ghost Town. One of these days, I'm gonna buy a bunch of these shirts. I have all these cool shirts. There's one I saw last year at Christmas time that I wanted so badly, but I didn't really have the money at the time. What are these? $43. That's even cheaper than Universal. And it's decent thickness. Huh, interesting. Corduroy though. Ugh. Mrs. Knott. The one started it all with her husband. Christmas ornaments. Oh, this is a great shirt. $26. That's a great shirt. That guy's an icon here. Scary Farm. Oh, that's cool. Glows in the dark too. $45. Sad Eye Joe merch. I gotta go say hello to Sad Eye Joe. Alrighty, we'll call it. I want to get some of this before the nighttime festivities. It shows up a little better. All these buildings that you see here, none of them are fake. They're all something. A store, a candy store, food, drinks, jewelry, um, glasswork, all kinds of stuff. See, these are more of the spooky farm for the children. See the little graveyard here during the day. Be back here at nighttime. Oh, well, let's go say hello to Sad Eye Joe, see if he's home. See the graveyard first. Water's really low. Great photo op there. That's how they used to do it back in the days, late 1800s. Once they got an outlaw that was wanted dead or alive, they would end up posting him up, showing proof that he was dead. Maybe it's not as low as I thought. Penny for gold. Sad Eye Joe, are you here?
Howdy.
Howdy, how are you?
I'm doing okay. How you doing?
Good, you haven't gotten out of here yet, huh?
How's that?
When you getting out?
I don't know. That's not for me to decide.
Oh, okay. You going to get any Halloween candy this year?
I don't know. We'll see.
All right, I hope so. You take care.
All right, you too, buddy.
All right, see ya.
Bye-bye now.
What's up, my homie? Are we going to have a good Halloween this year? You guys going to behave? What about you? You gonna behave? Hmm. Give me the silent treatment. Hmm. All right. Okay, we got the Knott's Berry Farm or Not Scary Farm deal. It's called the Atomic Firecracker Cheeseburger, Bacon Cheeseburger. Has like pickled or cut up jalapenos that are fried, pickles, onions, and fries. My son got the chicken tenders that are normally there at Sutter's. Let's dig in. Okay, here we go. First bite. Dude, that's a good burger, man. It's not spicy though, not at all. It has a little kick. They took down Snoopy in the canoe, but they did add a new sign as the stagecoach goes by. And out of the canoe, they put him right here with Woodstock. Let's check out the new addition, Camp Snoopy. Come on this adventure with me. Check out this new area of Camp Snoopy. New grass, artificial grass, Dippin' Dot stand, these little farm sheds. I don't know what those are used for. But then here's the new stage area. Let's check this out. It's all decked out because it's Halloween time. Camp Snoopy. Scary or spooky farm. A lot of these pumpkins are real pumpkins. Like this one is a real pumpkin. Those big ones, all those, they're all over the park. For whatever reason, this train's down today, unfortunately. But check out Charlie Brown still catching that rock. But look at all these gourds and pumpkins. They're all real in this area. Snoopy catching all the fish. My beloved waterfall is back on. It was down for construction when they were building the new rides. I love this area. Best place to eat. I'm not saying necessarily for the food, but the Grizzly Creek Lodge, right outside on top, looking down at the waterfall, is so, especially at nighttime, great place to eat your food, whatever it may be. Check out this area, just probably my favorite waterfall there. Look at this big dude. Crows give him a good time. And here it is, the new roller coaster. It's a family roller coaster, so the kids can go on too, along with the parents. We're going to go on it right now. Let's go. Check this out. Great. I love it. Nice touch, Knott. No cell phones allowed on the ride, even with a gimbal. So, sorry. But I'll let you know how the ride is. I was bummed they weren't letting me film that, but it's a fun, cute little ride. It goes around twice. I thought it went only once, so it's like a minute ride. A good thrill ride. It kind of reminds me of the roller coaster that's in Toontown when I took my girls on that ride many years ago. Um, Fun ride. I highly recommend it. If you have children, they'll love it. It's a little tight fit for adults, but if you're not fat like me, you can make it. So enjoy. Lots of love. Peace.